Good morning students. So we are doing annual exam revision and today the topic is no sooner than and as soon as. Now you already aware about the general rule. Let's revise it once again. When we begin the sentence with negative word no sooner, students, what we have to do, we first of all we'll see the sentence, okay, and then first we'll try to change the same in no sooner. So when you are starting with no sooner negative word, we will put the auxiliary verb before the subject. You can see the structure like no sooner, then do, does or did, depending on the verb will change that, okay. We'll put do or does. Do when the sentence is in present, when the verb is in the present tense without the word letter s or es, right? If the verb is in present tense but with the letter se or s, then we put does, and if the verb is in the past tense, then we put did, depending on the verb, as I said. Then we'll have our subject, and then we'll change the verb into V1 form, the first form, the root form of verb, okay. Then we will add the compulsory word then, THAN, not THEN, that you need to remember, and then the next action, okay. And if we begin, and if after doing that we have to change the sentence into as soon as, right, the question. So how we will do, we'll begin with as soon as positive verb. So we'll have directly first the subject, okay. Then we will have the verb as it is, like if it is in the first form of verb with the letter s, then we'll put it that way. If it is without the letter s or es, then we'll put it that way. Or if the verb is in the past tense, we will put as it is, v2, v1 or v2 form, okay. And then we'll use comma and then the next action and then full stop. Clear, students? So let's begin. Your first sentence is, you see her, let me know, okay. So first we'll do no sooner. So no sooner, now see is your present tense, okay, but without the letter s or es. So what we will put, we will have do. No sooner do you see her, see first form of verb as it is, then THAN, before the next action we'll have the word then let me know. Then you change it into as soon as. We will now remove do, right, auxiliary verb, and the verb will come in its original form. No sooner, sorry, as soon as you see her, and then we'll have comma, we'll remove the word then and have comma, and then the next action, let me know. Easy, students? We've done this before. I'm sure you have done it yourself only. You just need to cross check whether you're correct or not. Okay, let's look at the second one. She comes, comma, she brings in the tea. Now comes, again present tense but with the letter s. So no sooner will have does, okay, because letter s is there, present tense. She comes will become come because we are using does. So no sooner does she come, then is compulsory. Next action, she brings in the tea. Now change it into as soon as. So as soon as, now again remove does, verb will come in its original form. So comes and then comma and then she brings in the tea, next action. Third one, the kangaroo fell ill, fell, okay. Now this is past tense, okay. So we have used the word did and fell will become fall. So no sooner did the kangaroo fall ill, then they call the wet. Then as soon as, again remove did, the kangaroo fell. Kangaroo also some people say, pronunciation differs, okay. As soon as the kangaroo fell ill, comma, they call the wet. Next one, Raj saw Ram's expressions, his blood ran cold. Saw, past tense, so did and see. Okay, did we are using, so first form of verb see will come. No sooner did Raj see Ram's expressions, then his blood ran cold. As soon as Raj did did Raj saw, it will come in the original form, Ram's expressions, comma, his blood ran cold. Next one, he saw the hat, he put it on his head at once. He saw the hat. Okay, saw past tense. So did and saw will become see again. No sooner did he see the hat, then next action, he put it on his head at once. As soon as, remove the word did, see will become saw. As soon as he saw the hat, he put it on his head at once. Next one. She called me again, I left the house. No sooner did I, now see, here she called me again and I left the house. Now here the first action is I left the house and then she called me. Okay, you need to understand. So first action will have the, we'll see the verb of the first action. So no sooner did I leave. Left is in the past tense. So we will write did and left will become leave. No sooner did I leave the house, then she called me again. Now you need to really look at the question carefully, students. Not necessary what is written in the first sentence, that is only your first action. You need to read the sentence, use your brains and then apply the rules. Okay. So no sooner did I leave the house, then she called me again. As soon as I, now leave will again become left and will remove the word did. As soon as I left the house and comma, then will change into comma, she called me again. Next one, the patient died, the doctor came in. Died, past tense. So no sooner did the patient die, then the doctor came in. How tragic. Then next one, as soon as, next one we'll first try to change the same into as soon as. So we'll remove the word did. As soon as the patient died, again original form, comma, the doctor came in. Next one, the teacher came into the classroom, all the boys were silent. Came, past tense. No sooner did the teacher come, okay, came will become come into the classroom, then all the boys were silent. As soon as, remove did, come will become came. As soon as the teacher came into the classroom, all the boys were silent. Next one, she heard the sad news, she began to weep. Heard, past tense, so did and hear, okay, first form of verb. So no sooner did she hear the sad news, then she began to weep. As soon as she heard the sad news, comma, did remove, here will become heard. As soon as she heard the sad news, comma, she began to weep, full stop. Last one, the storm started, the lights went out immediately. Started, past tense. No sooner did will come because past tense, okay, it is in the past tense. So did the storm start, then the lights went out immediately. Then you change it into as soon as, remove the word did, start will again become started. As soon as the storm started, comma, the lights went out immediately. Great students, so here we also completed our revision for no sooner than and as soon as. Okay, practice and have a very good day.